Jai Narayan, dear students, I want to discuss you today significant figures. Every measurement involves error. Thus, the result of measurement should be reported in such a way that indicates the precision of measurement. Normally, reported result of measurement is a number. In the number, some digits are certain, and some digits are uncertain. Numbers that are known reliably are certain, and next one number is uncertain. So the reliable digit plus uncertain digit plus next uncertain digit is called significant figure. For example, 1.62 seconds. This one and this one is a reliable digit and this is uncertain digit. So, a reliable digit plus next one uncertain digit is called significant figure. Thus, the reliable digit plus first uncertain digit is called significant digit or significant figure. Now, there are some rules of significant figures. Rules of number 1. All the non-zero digits are significant. All the non-zero digits are significant. For example, 12, 1, 2, 3, 3 significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, four significant figures. 2, 5, 5, 3, 9, 5 significant. These all are non-zero digits. Non-zero digits. Second one, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant no matter here the decimal exists. For example, 3, 5, 5, 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figure, and here are 4 significant figures. Now third one. If the number is less than 1, then zeros right to the decimal and left to the first non-zero digit are not significant. For example, 0.005426 has 4 significant figures. These underlined zeros are not significant. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures, and this zero, and this zero is not significant figure. The terminal or trailing zeros after non-zero digit without decimal point are not significant. For example, 1, 2, 3 meter. 1, 2, 3 double 0 centimeter. 1, 2, 3 triple 0 millimeter. Has only 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 3 significant figures, 3 significant figures. After this, these are not significant, and these 3 zeros are not significant figures. The trailing zeros after non-zero digits if decimal involves a number are significant. For example, $3.500 or 0.006900 has 4 significant figures each. Codes for arithmetic operation with significant figure. In addition or subtraction, the final result should retain as many decimal places as are there in number with the least decimal places. For example, 6.321 meter, 2.23 meter, 1.1 meter. If we add this, then 1, 5, 6, 9 millimeter. So the least precise measurement is 1.1 meter. So in final result, we should write 9.6 meter. 9.6 meter. In multiplication or division, the final result should retain as many significant figures as are there in the original number with the least significant figure. So, for example, density of in a measurement, we have taken mass of the substance is 4.237 grams and its volume is 2.51 centimeter cube. So density is equal to 4.237 gram upon 2.51 centimeter cube, that is 1.69 gram per centimeter cube. In these numbers, there are 3 significant figures in this and 4 significant figures in this. We have taken three significant figure in final result. Okay. Now, rounding off the uncertain digits. Rounding off the uncertain digits. Number one, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then no effect on preceding digit. For example, 2.534. We have to drop 4. We have to drop 4. So, no effect. 5, 3. Four is dropped. And the number becomes 2.53. Second one, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, is greater than 5. 1 is added in preceding digit. For example, 2.68. Now 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5 and number becomes 2.7. 8 to be dropped, which is greater than 5. Now third one, if the digit to be dropped is 5, then if preceding digit is even, then no effect takes place. For example, 7.65, 7.65 to be dropped. And 6 is even. Now B part, if the digit, if preceding digit is odd, then 1 is added, then 5 is to be dropped. For example, 8.75, 8.8, 5 to be dropped, 1 is added in 7. Now, students, in this video I have taken significant figures, rules of significant figures, multiplication, addition, subtraction and division, etc., and rounding off the uncertain digits. So prepare it, and in next video I will meet you with next new topic. Jai Narayan.